Hello everyone, welcome to the session. In this session we will discuss reasoning ability section of IBPS RRB Office Assistant Prelim mock test. And your mock reference number is MT2042251. MT2042251. And this mock is RRB Office Assistant Prelims mock. And we are discussing reasoning ability section. And the level of difficulty of this paper is exactly suits with original exam of RRB Office Assistant. And in this paper you can score minimum 35 questions, in 20 minutes of time. In 20 minutes of time you can answer minimum 35 questions. Okay, I hope you are good at basics. So without wasting much time, we'll jump to the questions. Directions for questions 1 to 3. In each question below, 3 statements are given, which are followed by 2 conclusions 1 and 2. Consider the given statements to be true even if they seem to be variants with the commonly known facts, and decide which of the conclusion logically follows from the given statements, disregarding the commonly known facts, and give answer as choice 1 if only conclusion 1 follows, choice 2 if only conclusion 2 follows, choice 3 either conclusion 1 or conclusion 2, either. Choice 4 neither conclusion 1 nor conclusion 2 follows. Choice 5 both conclusion 1 and conclusion 2 follow. These are deductions questions, syllogism questions. We have 3 questions. Let's see. First, we are going to draw the basic diagram for the given statements. All books are paper. The basic diagram for the all books are paper will be like this. All books are papers. All books are papers. Books will be within the papers. Only a few papers are erasers. When it is mentioned only a few papers are erasers, definitely some part of the paper should not be erasers. Some part of the paper should not be erasers. It means at least some part of paper should be outside the erasers. At least some part of the papers should be outside the erasers. And the third statement is no word is a paper. So word to paper there should not be any link. No word is a paper. Word to paper there should not be any link. Now look at the first conclusion. What is our first conclusion? Some erasers are not books. Is it some erasers are not books in the basic diagram? Yes, some erasers are not books. So this conclusion is true. But it is what kind of conclusion? Negative conclusion. When the negative conclusion is true, we will be drawing alternate diagram to negate this negative conclusion. So what is the complementary pair of this negative conclusion? Some erasers are not books. Complementary pair is or contradictory pair is all erasers are books. We will try to prove this. All erasers are books. If you are able to make it true using this Venn diagram, this conclusion will become false. If you are unable to make it true in any of the diagram, the conclusion will remain same, true. Okay. All erasers are books. Can we place all erasers within the books? Let's check it. As per the given statements, first of all, book should be inside the papers. So that has to be. Book should be inside the papers, and there should not be a relation between paper and what? Yes. And we have a statement only a few papers are erasers. It means definitely some part of the paper should be outside the erasers, and simultaneously we have to prove all erasers are books. It means erasers has to be placed inside the books. So let's say this part is erasers. This part is erasers. Now, is it violating any of the given statements? Definitely these two statements are not violating. Let's check this one. Only a few papers are erasers. Yes, still these part of the papers are not erasers. Only this part of the papers are erasers. It means some part is definitely outside. It means I am able to draw this diagram. When we are able to draw the alternate diagram, this negative conclusion will become false. If you are unable to draw the diagram, this will remain true. If you are able to draw the diagram, this will become false. Now, what is our second statement? Some books are words. Is it some books are words? No. So, second conclusion does not follow. So, what is my answer finally? 1 does not follow, 2 does not follow. Neither 1 nor 2 follows is fourth option. Choice 4. Okay. Question number 2. Some long or narrow. Some long or narrow. Draw the basic diagram. Some long or narrow. And what is the second statement? Again, only a few short or wide. It means definitely some part of the short should be outside the wide. But can we link with this diagram? No. Let's go to the next statement. All short or narrow. So all short should be inside the narrow. Here is all short or narrow. What is the earlier statement? Only a few short or wide. So only few short or wide. So some part of the short should be definitely outside the wide. It means complete short we cannot place inside the wide. Okay. Let us come to the conclusions. Some narrow or not wide. Some narrow or not wide. Some narrow or not wide. Is it true in the basic diagram? Yes. This part of the narrow is outside the wide. So this conclusion is true. But what kind of conclusion it is? Negative conclusion. When negative conclusion is true, we have to draw the alternate diagram. What is the complementary pair of these? Some narrow or not wide, all narrow or wide. Let's check it. Can we able to draw this diagram, alternate diagram, all narrow or wide? If I try to prove all narrow, if we try to draw all narrow within the wide, definitely short will also comes inside the wide, because short is within the narrow. When short is within the narrow, when you're trying to put narrow within the wide, definitely short will come within the wide. But as per the statement, there should not be a some short which should be, there should be some short which should be outside the wide. But in that case, it is becoming all short or wide. It means I can't prove this diagram. We cannot draw the alternate diagram. So the negative will still remain true. I hope you are clear. No long is wide. No long is wide. Yes, even it is true. Long is here, wide is here in the basic diagram. So it is true. When and what kind of conclusion it is? Negative conclusion. When negative conclusion is true, we will draw the alternate diagram. What is the alternate diagram for no? Some. Some long or wide. Some long or wide. Can we draw the diagram for that or not? Let's check it. We should not violate the statement. All short or narrow. It is short, it is narrow, and only a few short or wide, and even we should not violate that. And we are trying to prove some long or wide, and simultaneously we know some long or narrow. So without violating that, we may draw the diagram like this. Some long or narrow, or simultaneously some long or wide. It is not violating any of the statements. If you want, you may cross check it. Some long or narrow, yes, some long or narrow. Here, only a few short or wide, yes, only a few short or wide. All short or narrow, yes, short is inside the within the narrow. Some long or wide, are we able to prove this in the alternate diagram? Some long or wide, yes, some long or wide. So this complementary is true. So negative will become false. So what will be my final answer? 1 follows, 2 does not follow. So only 1 follows, which is choice 1. Choice 4. Question number 3. Some camels or rabbits. Basic diagram will be like this. some camels are rabbits. Some lions are not rabbits. Rabbits are here. So the basic diagram will be disjoint sets. But there could be a relation between lions and rabbits. There could be a relation. But some lions are not rabbits. It means complete part of lion should not be inside the rabbit. Some part can be inside the rabbit. All lions are crows. Okay. So it is camel and here it is crows. Now let us look at the conclusions. What is the first conclusion? Some crows are not rabbits. Some crows are not rabbit. Is it true? Yes, true. Negative conclusion. And it is what kind of conclusion? Negative conclusion. What I have to prove? All crows are rabbits. Can we draw the diagram for that or not? Let us check. And we should not violate this. Some camel or rabbit. And we are trying to prove what? All crows are rabbits. So all crows should be inside the rabbit. And you know already, lions are within the crows. So lion should be within the crows. So it is not violating this particular statement and this particular statement, but we have to check this statement. Some lions are not rabbits. But what happened here? All lions become rabbits. But as per this statement, definitely some lions should not be rabbits. But here it become all lions are rabbits. It means we cannot draw the diagram because whenever you try to place crows within the rabbit, definitely lions goes within a rabbit. Or in all the such situations, whenever you are trying to prove crows within a rabbit, lions will go within a rabbit. But as per the second statement, all the lions should not be rabbit. Some part should be outside. Can we draw like that? No, it is not possible to draw. So we are unable to prove in any diagram. So this conclusion will still remain true. Now, what is the second conclusion? All camels being crows is a possibility. Can I place all these camels inside the crows? Let's check it in the same diagram. Let us take this as a camels and rabbits. Is it violating any of the statements? Let's check it. Some camels are rabbits. Yes, some camels are rabbits. Some lions are not rabbits. Yes, still some lions are not rabbits. All lions are crows. Yes, all lions are crows. So it is not violating any of the statement. So in this alternate diagram, I am able to prove all camels being crows is possible. Is it possible? Yes. Even he is saying possible. So it is true. So 1 follows and 2 follows. So my answer is choice 5. Both 1 and 2 follow. Question number 4 to 8. 6 persons A, B, C, X, Y and Z sit around a circular table and are all facing towards the center but not necessarily in the same order. The following information is known about them. Just 2 lines information and we have 5 questions followed by that. Let's see. 6 persons arrangement and it will be like this. Now what is given? Y is 2 places away from Z. 2 places away, but whether it is to the left side or right side is not given. So we have to consider the 2 cases. When it is mentioned 2 places away, how many gaps will be there? 1 gap will be there between Y and Z. Let me place the Z and Y. In the one case I am taking left side. In the another case Y I am taking right side. Who means I am talking about Z. Z sits to the immediate right of X. So Z is immediate right of X. This is immediate right side. So Z is immediate right of X. This is immediate right side. Next, A faces C. So in the 2 opposite places, we have to place A and C. Is this possible in this diagram? Y, X, Z. A and C has to be in opposite positions. But A and C we can place only in these 3 positions. By placing in any of these 3 positions, we cannot place like A faces C. So this case is ruled out. Now in this case, this is the only possibility. A or C, C or A. But in continuation, what is given? A faces C. Who means we are talking about C. C does not sit adjacent to Y. So C cannot be here. So this must be A. So when this must be A, this place goes to C. So C, X, Z, A, Y. Who is the only remaining person? B. That's it. This is our final arrangement. Let's answer the questions. What is the position of B with respect to A? So B is here, A is here. With respect to B, if I go right side, first right, second right. If I go left side, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth left or second right. Which is available? Second right. So choice 2. How many persons sit between Y and A when counted to the right of Y? When counted to the right of Y between Y and A. Y right side is this side. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. A is here. 4. Choice 5. Who among the following person sits to the immediate left of the person who sits opposite Y? So we have to find out the person, not who is opposite to Y. We have to identify the person who sits immediate left of the person who sits opposite Y. Opposite Y is X, immediate left of X is C. So choice 4. Be careful when you are reading the question. Which among the following statement is definitely true? B sits to the immediate right of C. Is B immediate right of C? No. B is actually immediate left of C. So not the first option. Y sits to the immediate left of A? No. Actually Y is immediate right of A. Not the second option. Third one. Z sits to the immediate right of A? No. Actually Z is immediate left of A. So not the third option. C sits to the immediate right of B? Yes. C is immediate right side of B. Fourth option. Choice 4 is true. Last question in this set. If Z and Y interchange their positions, who among the following person sits opposite X? So Z and Y are interchanging their positions. So this place is Y, this place is Z. So who sits opposite X? Now who is opposite to X? Y. Choice 1. Sorry, opposite X is Z. No. So it is choice 2. These questions are based on the following letter and symbol sequence. So we have given some sequence. We have given a sequence. Followed by this again we have 5 questions, and these are very easy questions. We know that. Now, what is the question asked? Which of the following is fifth to the right of, seventh to the left of, sixth element from the right hand? So we should start counting from the right hand. Now, with respect to right hand, first which element we have to identify? Sixth element. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, with respect to this sixth element, what is the sixth element? R. With respect to this, we have to find out seventh left. So, with respect to our left side will be this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, seventh left, which is S. Now, with respect to S, I should find fifth right side. Fifth right. Right side of S. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is hashtag choice 4. The same question we can do in another form also. If we start counting from the right hand, we have to count sixth element. So these 6, take it as it is. And while moving to the, when it is the right hand, left will be plus. So plus 7. And right will be minus 5. 6 plus 7, 13. 5 minus 5, 8. From the right hand. So directly you can count 8 from the right hand. When a question is based on the right hand, right will be minus, left will be placed in the statement. When the question is based on the left hand, left will be minus, right will be plus. Okay. How many such symbols are there which are immediately preceded by a vowel and immediately followed by a consonant? So our focus should be on symbols. So what kind of condition it has to satisfy? Symbols immediately preceded by a vowel and immediately followed by a consonants. Among these, identification of vowels will be very easy. So let's look at the sequence: vowel, symbol, consonant. Here we have vowel, symbol, no. Vowel, symbol, consonant, yes. Next, where is another vowel? H, W, P or A. Vowel symbol consonant? No. I is a consonant. I is a vowel? No. So only one. Choice 3. Sorry, it is L, right? It is not I, it is L. I am sorry. All are given in small letters. So vowel, symbol, and it is consonant. So 2. Choice 1. If all the symbols are deleted from the sequence, which of the following is fifth to the right of sixth from the left hand? So we should start counting from the left hand. And symbols are deleted. So just don't count the symbols. That is enough. Don't write the new sequence and don't waste your time. When you are counting, just eliminate the symbols. That's it. First, we have to count from the left hand. We should start counting from the left hand. First, we have to identify sixth letter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is y. Now with respect to y, what we have to find? Fifth right. So with respect to y, fifth right will be this side, right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is A. Choice 1. Okay. If the second half of the sequence is reversed, how many elements are there between S and ampersand? Second half of the sequence is reversed. Just count the total number of elements to find the half of the sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So second half of the sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So reverse it. This will be dollar and this will be L and this will be at the rate and A and percent. Now, the given question is how many elements are there between S and percent. Now, n percent new position is here, S will be here only. So, how many elements are there between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Choice 4. No need to write the remaining sequence. Okay. In a certain way, W is related to R. In this given sequence, W is related to R. How it is? Third left. W is third left of R. W is third left of R. In the same way, S is related to cap. Let's see. S is, yes, same logic. S is third left of cap. Following the same, E is related to which element? E is third left of. E is third left of Y. Choice 5. Given logic is third left. Again, puzzle. 6 persons A, E, I, O, U and Z were born in 3 months of the same year, June, September and December, and on 2 dates, 12th and 23rd, but not necessarily in the same order. Only 2 persons were born in each month. No 2 persons were born on the same date. The following information is known about them. Okay. What is the basic structure for this kind of questions? Months and dates combination. This one. Okay. Now what is given here? E and U were born on the same number date. Date is same, but in the months which having different number of days. So different number of days months combinations are June, December and September, December. These two combinations and these two combinations. It cannot be June and September. Okay. And what is given next? E was born before A was born. E was born before A was born. In the arrangement, E should come before A, but it need not to be immediately somewhere. Who means we are talking about A. A was born immediately before U was born. A was born immediately before U was born. A was born immediately before U was born. Means if E is in Jan, E is in June, U has to be in December. It could be 12th or 23rd. If E is in September, U has to be in December. So in any case, U will be in December because it has to be different number of days and E is before U, right? So one case U is December 12th. In the another case, U is December 23rd. One of these two is valid. Okay. Now what is given? A is immediately before U. A is immediately before U. A is immediately before U. And what else is given? A and U were born in different months. A and U were born in different months. So it cannot be the possibility. So AU. And what is given? The number of persons who were born before O is same as the number of persons who are born after A. In before that, first of all, E can be here because we are talking about E and U. E and U were born on the same number date, but in the months which having different number of days. So in this case, E will be here, and we will get another case also. Let me write that case. Let me erase A and U. U will be here, A will be here only, and E here. It is also possible. E is on June 12th and U is on December 12th. Okay, even this is also valid. Now what is given? Number of persons who were born before O was born is the same as the number of persons who were born after A was born. After A, how many are there? 2. So before O has to be 2. Before O has to be 2 means O should be September 12th. So which is not possible in this one because already E is there. Now in this case, after A is 2. So before O is 2. So it should be September 12th. So it is valid. I was born after Z. So I was born after Z. We have only 2 positions. Those 2 positions are fixed. That's it. Now let's answer the questions. Who among the following was born on 23rd June? 23rd June, Z. Choice 2. Which of the following statements is definitely true? 4 persons were born between the dates on which E and I. Between E and I 4? Yes. And there is no such option more than one of the above. So my answer is choice 1. 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way and hence form a group. Odd man out question. No. What about E, Z, I, A, O? Now look at it. These 4 persons were born in the months which having 30 days, whereas I was born in the month which having 31 days. So I is the odd man out. Choice 3. Okay. On which day and in which month was I born? 23rd December. Choice 4. Which of the following combination of persons were born in the same month? Is it ZO same month? No, different months. AI different months. IE different months. EZ same. Choice 4. Only one will be correct answer, right? So choice 4. Now move to the next one. Blood relations. 8 persons L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S are of a family. And what is given? L is the brother of it. No need to read the entire information. Let's start drawing the family tree diagram. L is the brother of S. L is a brother. Plus symbol indicates male. Okay. L is the brother of S. So both belongs to the same generation. L is the brother of S. Who is married to P? Who means we are talking about S. So S is married to P. And among these, who is male, who is female, that we don't know. Let's see. P has only one daughter. P, S and P are having only one daughter. They are having only one daughter doesn't mean that they don't have sons. They may have sons. O is married to L. O and L is a married couple. L is a male, so O is female. L is the father. Who means we are talking about L? L is the father of Q. So L is the father of Q. And we don't know the gender of Q. N is the grandmother of Q. N is a grandmother. It could be maternal grandmother or it could be paternal grandmother. Let's keep it aside. N is the grandmother of Q. Q is a nephew of S. Q is a nephew of S means Q will be a male. Q is a nephew of S. And it is mentioned N has no sons. When it is N has no sons, earlier we have a statement N is the grandmother of Q. So N cannot be paternal grandmother because N does not have any sons. So it has to be a maternal grandmother. Okay, so N is female. N is a maternal grandfather. Q's mother's mother. Next, R is the father-in-law of L. R is the father-in-law of L means L's spouse father. So O's father will be R. So N and R are couple. N is female. So R is male. Who has no brothers? L has no brothers. So L sibling. S will be female. So when S is female, P will be male. And we have total 8 persons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Who is the remaining person? M. So M is the daughter of P. That's it. Very simple. And we have 3 questions below this. Let's answer the questions. How is M related to L? How is M related to L? Niece. From L to M we need to check. It is niece. Choice 4. What is the ratio of male to female in the family? R is male, N is female. So 1 female, 2 females, 3 females, 4. Out of 8, 4 are females, so 4 are males. 1 is to 1. Choice 1. How is R related to O? How is R related to O? R is the father of O. R is the father of O. Choice 5. Okay, again we have a puzzle set. Let's see. A person gave different seminars among artificial intelligence testing tools, SAP, Oracle, OPS, Android and Linux on 7 different days of the same week starting from Sunday through Saturday, but not necessarily in the same order. Okay, let's see. What will be the basic structure? Days, Sunday through Saturday. Now let's go through the information. Only one seminar was given before develop OPS seminar. Okay, so before this there will be only one seminar. So this has to be given on Monday. So this is fixed. At least 2 seminars are given between develop OPS and Android. Between these two, at least 2. So it cannot be Android. It cannot be Android. Even it cannot be Android. Because between these two, at least 2 will be given. And the seminar on Android was given neither on Thursday nor on Saturday. So even it cannot be Android. Even it cannot be Android. So the only possibility being Friday. So Android. Okay. Up to here, complete information is utilized. The number of seminars given after Oracle seminar is the same as the number of seminars given before Oracle. In both the cases, we are talking about the same software. So it will be Wednesday. The only place satisfies the condition is middle position. Before Oracle, after Oracle should be same. So it has to be exactly in the middle. The seminar on AI was neither before Oracle seminar nor after Android seminar. It means AI, artificial intelligence, was given neither before Oracle. Not before Oracle means after Oracle. and not after Android means before Android. So where it has to be? Oracle, Android are already fixed, Wednesday and Friday. So artificial intelligence has to be on Thursday. Okay. Next, TT seminar was given before Linux. TT seminar was given before Linux, which was not given on Saturday. So Linux is not on Saturday. Linux is not on Saturday. So where can I place Linux? It cannot be Sunday because TT has to be given before Linux. So the only possibility being Tuesday. So Linux is here. So before Linux, TT. So what is the only remaining? SAP. So SAP seminar was given on Saturday. Very easy set, right? Yes, in RRB clerical prelims, you will get the easy puzzles. At least 35 questions can be attempted in 20 minutes. Which of the following seminars was given on Saturday? SAP, choice 5. On which day was Linux seminar given? Linux seminar given on Tuesday, choice 2. In a certain way, TT is related to SAP. How TT is related to SAP? Testing tools. Before testing tools is same as after SAP. In the same way, Linux is related to artificial intelligence. Before Linux is 2, after artificial intelligence is 2. Okay, matching. Here it is 0 and 0, here it is 2 and 2, before and after. Following the same pattern, Android. After Android 1, so before DEV OPS 1, so choice 3. Before is same as after. Which of the following is false? Sunday TT, no, it is true. Thursday AI, it is true, artificial intelligence. Saturday SAP, it is also true. Monday Linux, false. So choice 4. How many seminars were given after TT seminar? After testing tools, how many seminars were given? Remaining all 6. So 6, choice 3. Okay, move to the next set. Set of numbers. This is also very easiest part of reasoning. Okay, will be given a set of numbers like this, 5 set of numbers, and followed by a 5 questions or 4 questions. No, but reading the questions in a proper way is very important. Okay, now what is given? If in each number, so in each of these numbers, first and third digits are interchanged. Okay, then which of the original numbers is the second highest number? Okay, let us interchange the first and third digits. It will become 274, 563, 345, 827, 182. First and third digits are interchanged. Now, then which of the original numbers is the second highest number? Now, among these, which is the second highest? 563 is the second highest. But this is obtained from where? 365. So, 365 is second highest number after applying these conditions. 365. Choice 2. Because they are asking original number. Which original number will become second highest number after applying these conditions? Now again, if the first and second digits of each number are interchanged and then the numbers are arranged in a decreasing order from left side to right side, which of the following digits is second digit of third number from the right hand? We'll go step by step. First and second digits of each number are interchanged. So 742, 635, 453, 278, 821. And the numbers are arranged in decreasing order from left to right, decreasing order. So first will be 742, next will be 635, sorry, first will be 821, 745, 635, 453, 278. Now what is the question asked? Then which of the following digits is second digit of third number from the right hand? First number from the right hand, second number from the right hand, third number from the right hand. Now in third number from the right hand, which digit they are asking for? Second digit. What is the second digit? 3. Choice 4. They will give you a very simple question. So you have to read the instructions properly and you have to choose a proper choice. That's it. Now, if all the numbers are arranged in increasing order left to right, then what is the sum of the first digit of the second number from the right hand and third digit of first number from the left hand? Okay, first of all the numbers has to be written in increasing order from left side to right side. Increasing order will be 281, 365, 472, 543, 728. It may take maximum 5 to 10 seconds to write. And first digit of second number from the right hand, second number from the right hand 543 and first digit is 5. And the third digit of first number from the left hand, third digit of first number from the left hand. First number from the left hand is 281 and the third digit is 1. And sum of these two digits they are asking. So 1 plus 5 which is equal to 6. Choice 3. In each number, 1 is added to the odd digit and 2 is subtracted from the even digit, and the numbers are arranged in the increasing order from right side to left side. You have to be careful, left to right or right to left. Then which of the original numbers is the fourth number from the left hand? Let's see. First, 1 is added to the odd digit, 2 is subtracted from the even digit. 2 is subtracted, so 2. 4 minus 2, 2. And 1 is added, so 8, 0. 1 is added, so 4. 2 is subtracted, so 4. 1 is added, so 6. 1 is added, 6. 2 is subtracted, 2. 1 is added, 4. 1 is added, 8. 2 is subtracted, 0. 2 is subtracted, 6. 2 is subtracted, 0. 2 is subtracted, 6. 1 is added, 2. Now, what is mentioned? Then the numbers are arranged in the increasing order from right side to left side. Increasing order right side to left side. It means smallest to highest. So 62 and 280 and 446 and 624 and 806. Now what is the question asked? Which are the original numbers fourth from the left hand? What is the fourth from the left hand? 1, 2, 3, 4. 280. But this 280 is obtained from which number? 472. So choice 2. Because they are asking for original number. After applying these conditions, which original number will be fourth from the left hand? That is 472. Choice 2. Okay. If the first and second digits of each number are interchanged, then second and third digits are interchanged. How many numbers thus formed are even? Okay. First and second digits interchanged first. So it will become 742, 635, 453, 278, 821. Second and third digits of each number are interchanged. 724, 653, 435, 287, 812. How many numbers thus formed are even? So this one is an even number, this one is an even number. Even number means last digit should be even, that's it. So 2, choice 2. It won't take more than 10 seconds time to complete it. Here we have given inequalities. In each question below, some statements are given followed by two conclusions, 1 and 2. Find which of the conclusion logically follows from the given statement and give your answer as. Choice 1, only 1 follows. Choice 2, only 2. Choice 3, either 1 or 2. Choice 4, neither 1 nor 2 follows. Choice 5, both 1 and 2 follow. Now, let's look at the statements. So the first conclusion is between U and T. U is here and T is here. To combine the U and T, the common statement is B. So take the B. And B to U relation is what? B greater than U. So B greater than U. U to T relation is what? B to T relation, B less than or equal to T is as good as T greater than or equal to B. So what is the relation that I have between T and U? T is greater than U. T is greater than U implies U less than T. So 1 follows. Next, R greater than B. It is already given R less than B. And the second conclusion is R greater than B. So does not follow. Question number 33. L greater than or equal to D equal to C less than P, D greater than or equal to M. And the first conclusion is between M and L. So M is here and L is here. To combine the M and L, common term is D. So one side M, one side L. So what is the relation between D and M? D greater than or equal to M is as good as M less than or equal to D. D and L. L greater than or equal to D is as good as D less than or equal to L. So greater than or equal, less than or equal to less than or equal to leads to less than or equal to. So the relation between M and L is M less than or equal to L. So conclusion 1 follows. Now let us come to the conclusion 2. To combine the P and M, the common term is D. Again D. Now one side P, one side M. Either sides we have to take these two elements. Now what is the relation between P and D? D equal to C. It means in the place of C I can write D. So D less than P is as good as P greater than D. D to M. D greater than or equal to M. So greater than and greater than or equal to leads to greater than. So P greater than M. So even second conclusion follows. So both 1 and 2 follow. Choice 5. Choice 5. We have single statement, no need to combine. Let's look at A less than U, less than and equal to leads to less than. A is here, U is here. And less than and less than are equal to leads to less than. Less than leads to less than. A less than U, definitely true. And U equal to A? No, not possible. Because already it is A is less than U. So only 1 follows. Choice 1. A greater than S, D less than or equal to F, S equal to D. Can we combine it directly? Let's see. A greater than S is equal to D less than or equal to F. Now the conclusion is between A and F. Between A and F we have opposite signs. So no relation follows. S less than or equal to F. Equal to and less than or equal to leads to less than or equal to. So S less than or equal to F. So only 2 follows. Choice 2. Again, we have, can we combine it? Yes, we can combine. E less than or equal to N greater than L less than or equal to O. What is the relation between E and O? E less than O. Between E and O, we have opposite signs. So no conclusion follows. O and E, again opposite signs. No conclusion follows. So neither 1 nor 2 follows is choice 4. Okay. Now move to the individual questions. If it is possible to make only one meaningful word with the first, fourth and sixth and seventh letters of the word, which would be second letter of the word from the left? If only one meaningful word can be formed, second letter of that word from the left side will be our answer. If more than one such word can be formed, give Z as the answer. No such word can be formed, your answer is X. First A, fourth G, sixth M and seventh E. So using this A, G, M, E, what are the letters that we can form? A, G, M, E, game, maze and mega. These 3 words can be formed. Means more than one word can be formed. So answer is Z. Choice 5. Now, if in the word traveling, each consonant is replaced with the previous letter and each vowel is replaced with the next letter, then how many letters are repeated at least twice in the new word thus formed? Okay. What is the given word? Traveling. Consonants are replaced with previous letters. So T is a consonant. So previous letter is S. R is a consonant. Previous letter is Q. V is a consonant. Previous letter is U. L is a consonant. Previous letter is K. N is a consonant. Previous letter is M. G is a consonant. Previous letter is F. Now, vowels are replaced with the next letter. A next letter B, E next letter F, I next letter J. Now, how many letters are repeated at least twice? F is repeated. Is S is repeated? No. Q repeated? No. B? No. U? No. K, J, M? No. Only one letter is repeated. Choice 4. 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way and hence form a group. Find the one that does not belong to that group. Okay. Letter odd bin out. Let's write the place values, you'll get some idea. X is 24, K is 11, P is 16, S is 19, F is 6. Okay. Okay. U is 21. U is 21, H is 8, S is 19, Z is 26, M is 13, N is 14, Y is 25, C is 3, X is 24. Now I can clearly see that these two are corresponding letters, or you may say difference is 13. Difference is 13. And these two are opposite letters. Sum is equal to 27. Here also difference is 13. Sum is equal to 27. Difference, sum. Difference is 13. Sum is 27. Difference 13 is corresponding pair. Sum 27 is opposite pair. 26, 13 difference is 13. 13, 14 sum is 27. Here 25, 23 is 22 is the difference. And sum is 27. It is opposite pair, but this is not a corresponding pair. So choice 5. First and second letter, this pair is corresponding pair. Second and third letter pair is opposite pair. It followed in every option except in choice 5. Choice 5. Last question for this mock. If the letters of the word palindrome are written in alphabetical order from left to right, which letter is fifth from the left hand? Okay. Palindrome, we have to write it in the alphabetical order from left side to right side. Left side to right side means this way. So what is the first to come among the letters? A. So A. In the remaining letters, next to come D. Next to come E. Please strike off those elements. Next to come I. Next to come M. Next to come N. And they are asking fifth from the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth from the left hand is M. Choice 3. Okay, we have L, right? So L, after L it will be M and N. So fifth from the left hand is L. Choice 2. Okay. All the best for your next mock. Thank you. Have a great day.